Hi, I'm Lisa Charles, the new owner of Crates Local. I'm feeling a little bit sad today because I seem to have lost my ginger cat. So if you do see him on your big Nibble adventures, please do let me know. Anyway, I'm going to do you a little bit of a tour of Crates Local. Hi, it's me again. So this is Crates Local. We have lots of lovely produce from Sussex and surrounding counties. We have a great range of products from groceries, fruits, lots of chutneys and local chili chutneys. The meats from Garlic Wood and Willed Smokery. We've got lots of lovely cheese, wines, ciders, gins, all lots of lovely local produce. We have now opened up to the shop again to allow customers to browse. However, we ask all customers to respect social distancing measures in place, and please do remember your mask. We are proud to be taking part of the Big Nibble and have some great offers for everyone. Just visit us, mention the Big Nibble, spend over £30 and you will receive a great free gift. Hi again, it's me. Here we are going into the coffee shop. Fantastic coffee shop. We do sell the best coffee in town. The coffee shop has undergone a slight refurbishment, as you will see, to allow us to open up its doors again with some new furniture and more moments to relax. So please join us for a bite to eat with lots of daily specials, pastries, coffees and a glass of cold beer cider, or even treat yourself to a glass of award-winning sparkling English bubbly. For the Big Nibble, you will need to see Megan. Hello Megan. What do they need to say?
I'm nibbling for Tiffin.
And to get your free gift. Oh, what do I see there? Now, has anybody seen my ginger cat?